Today, I will show you how to hide WooCommerce products from the shop, category, tag, and search pages. Go to your WooCommerce dashboard and then click on the WooCommerce Hide Post plugin. It will direct you to a new page where you can check any of the post types you want to hide. Right now, I want to hide the products, so I will check Products and enable Quick Edit and Bulk Edit options as well. Now, click Save Changes. Go to the store to view the product that we will be hiding. On the shop page, you can see that vacuum cleaner appears. Click on the vacuum cleaner, and it will take you to the detailed product page, where you can view its categories and tags. Now, go back to the WooCommerce backend to edit the product we want to hide. Click Edit, and it will open the product editing page. At the bottom, you can view all the available options to hide the product. Right now, I want to hide it from the shop page. So I will check the option Hide from Shop page. Click Update to save the changes. On the front end, refresh the shop page. And you won't see the vacuum cleaner anymore. It's hidden now. Now, let's make it visible again. Uncheck the Hide from Shop page option. Update the product and refresh the shop page. You can see the vacuum cleaner is visible again. Next, open the product's detailed page. And then check its associated category and tag pages. This product belongs to clothing and uncategorized categories, and its tags include electric machine. Open these categories and tags on the front end, and you'll see the vacuum cleaner listed there. Now, go back to the back end and check the options Hide from Product Category pages and Hide from Product Tag pages. Click Update, and then refresh the category and tag pages. The vacuum cleaner no longer appears. It's successfully hidden from category and tag pages. Lastly, let's hide the product from search results. First, try searching for vacuum cleaner. You'll see it appears in the search results. Now, go to the back end again. Enable the option Hide from Search pages and update the product. Return to the front end and search for the product again. This time, you'll see the message. Sorry, but nothing was found. Please try a search with different keywords. Thank you for watching.